Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to Tam Predicts. These are your angel messages for the month of October. I want to give some urgent messages. Let's see, probably if they resonate or don't resonate. Maybe they help you in your guidance, or maybe you wanted some kind of, you wanted to know which way to go or what to do in a situation, and maybe you were not getting clarity. So maybe some of these messages might give you clarity. So let's see what are the angels saying for you, the keepers of the light. What are the important messages that I wanted to give? I wanted to put a number 10, 20, but I don't know right now. Sometimes it becomes more or less. So I'm just going to give you some messages. For people who are new to my channel, I am a psychic tarot reader, a clairvoyant, a medium, and I do automatic writing. And I have to pick that up. I'm sorry. I always do that. And I don't stop my videos. I don't like. And the first card is Babaji fell out of my hand, and this is the most beautiful card to start with. So all the blessings are with you for you guys for the month of October. Whatever is left for you, I want to say whatever you wish for will happen. And this is an ascended master, so he operates from the highest of realms, like Jesus Christ and other ascended masters. So these are blessings for you. Maybe this card, that's why I fell and had a lot of energy, and it wanted to say that I'm there and you don't have to fear if I'm there, and all things will go right. If your situation is complicated, if you've not been finding a way, I think October things will be fine. You'll get all your answers in October. Whatever answers that you needed, you will get answers. Maybe that's why I did two readings before this, and something or the other happened. I had to close the reading. I could not record, and I was like, this is not it. Maybe these are not the messages for today. So these are the messages for you. This is like really great. The second one is actually very similar. It says the divine director. So whatever you're doing is fine, but I think there is a divine power that is going to intervene, and there'll be will give you a purpose. Okay, and you'll find a purpose in your life, and whatever great is happening in your life, there is a divine intervention. Okay, suddenly if you really feel lucky in October where everything is falling on your lap, it is because there is a divine intervention. You asked for angels for guidance and they did give you guidance. I feel that you are a number 2 or a number 8. I don't know why I get that. I also feel you're a number 7. You are seeing 7 a lot. I'm getting 7 a lot today also. So you're seeing a lot of 7, and and you also know that you're guided. I don't know why I feel maybe these were the messages that were supposed to be given to you today, because you were not clear about a situation. I think the situation is going to unfold. uh, Everything is going to fall in place, and whatever your purpose, like probably you wanted happiness from a situation, you're going to get happiness. That's what I feel. I feel another thing I get is there'll be a man in your life who's going to make you happy. Remember that. Your soul flame is coming. Your soulmate is in your life in October. Your soulmate will start expressing himself or herself in October. I'm going to say Radha, so this must be you, or if you your partner or whoever has not really been communicating with you. In October is a time when things will suddenly change, when out of the blue the person will pop up and probably ring the bell or just message you or call you and say, I'm hey, I'm back, in your life, and I cannot stay without you, and will start expressing. So this is a guy or a girl who did not express much, was in a shell, and you were really confused about him or her, whoever this message is for. So you were really confused at, is this person my soulmate? Will the journey continue? And I really feel this person is your soulmate, and here's your answer. If you really felt that deeper connection or that greater connection with the person you are seeing, old relationship, new relationship, I don't know, but I think there is a deep connection, and you've been together in the past lives, and I really think it's a soulmate connection. The guy or the girl who you are dealing with will start expressing himself herself more, and you will feel more loved in October. In any situation, the person is going to really make you feel good, and do things for you that normally the person did not do, and it's going to surprise you. I don't know why, but I get October is a big month for surprises. People surprising you in a good way, surprises springing up, things suddenly falling on your lap, opportunities coming out of nowhere, people calling you for business, designations, getting the designation that you wanted, cloak of wisdom. So I feel the person I'm dealing with is a very wise person, in the sense, whoever is listening to this, you're a wise person. Your choice will be very wise, and your choice will be based on wisdom. So those are the messages that I want to give, and it says you already know the answer you seek, and trust what you know. So this is all divine intervention. You already know what you were seeking, and you are going to get it. So maybe there is a surprise or no surprise, but the surprise is you are going to get what you did ask from the universe. I feel the universe is actually this is a big card for people who are manifesting. I think this is a reading for people who can manifest very easily or are trying to manifest something, a call or a call or a message, or you want the person to come in your life, or probably a job, or probably peacefulness in a relationship. You've been manifesting, and I don't know why, but I get the number 10. Are you a number 10? You were born on the 10th of the 10th of the of the year, 10th month of the year, which is October. What are the other messages? You'll really do well. You'll really do well in October. These are the messages for you, whoever's listening to my reading right now. So I think you're going to be much clearer in October. October is a time where all things will come to the surface. There'll be clarity, crystal clear. You'll be crystal clear about things. There'll be clarity in a situation. That's what I get. There's devotion in a relationship, in a job. There is peacefulness. Sorry, I also get the person that you're in love with. The voice sounds so musical to you. I get a lot of love when I hold Krishan Ji's card. I feel very focused also. And I was going to say the blue color. Now I know why, because Krishan Ji is blue here. So I think you'll see a lot of blue, and blue will bring you good luck. So maybe that's one of the messages. So if you want to start something, or if you want to do something really good, or you want to feel nice, I feel that you should wear the color blue, and this is going to bring you a lot of luck. I don't know, something about a garland. I get a message about a garland. Did you put a garland on an idol, or are you making something like I get making a necklace. Did someone give you a necklace? Will someone give you a necklace? Those are the messages also that I get. But I really get somebody's going to surprise you, and it's going to be really, really happy moments. You really didn't think the person is that romantic or does things like that. And out of the blue, I think out of the blue the things will happen. That's another message that I get. Yes, you are guided. Maybe that's why I had to do this reading, and two of my readings got spoiled, because maybe those readings I was not supposed to give you any of the messages. So if you were worrying that where is my life going, let it go where it is going, is my message to you. Go with the flow, like I always say, because it's already very well planned for you by the ascended masters, the archangels, and your spirits, spirit guide. Somebody is putting you on the right path. Please don't fight it. If you've been fighting against a situation, you don't want to go ahead with it, or you've been thinking things are not things are not right for you, nothing is turning out to be right. Probably you lost your job, probably you lost a project, probably you lost money somewhere, but I think everything is going to be fine, and you're going to be back on your feet. That's the other message that I get. You're going to be back on your feet very soon. You've taken that hit probably in business, whatever loss or whatever happened, but you're going to be back on your feet. Nothing can keep you back. That's another message that's coming back to me. Nothing can stop you from here from October to get what you want. It's either business or from a relationship or for anything. I get the word go-getter. Totally a go-getter. That's how you're going to behave. Be bold and make the first move. I told you, October is the time when you got to face challenges. You got to be bold. You will not sit and let things come to you. It's like you will go out and grab the opportunities. So this is what you're going to do in October. You're going to make the cold calls. You're going to just go out and see which door to knock, or probably send out 10 resumes at 10 places, and probably do some kind of a different job. But I feel you're not going to sit there. You're probably thinking of making money from a stream that you knew nothing about, or you learned something new, and you know that you can do well there too. So you're doing something very different also, is what I get. This is not what you were trained to do, but you picked the skill up somewhere, and now you're going to make money from there. That's what I get. Those are great messages. Show the world the real you. In October, you're going to do that. This is reversed, guys. I want you to show the world the real you. That's more important, okay? I want you to be bold and get things in your life, whatever deserves to be in your life. So nothing should stop you, okay? And don't stop yourself from showing your real self, okay? If you're scared, if I behave in this way, or if I become too talkative, or I really have to, do this to get the project or whatever I want from the relationship, I shouldn't be speaking like that. But I'm saying, do all the right things and you will get what you want. You have to show what you're made of. Probably you're made of steel, and probably you're not showing the world the real you. You've been really quiet for a long time, and probably you're losing confidence in yourself, that I cannot do this. But I feel you have the power to do it, and your guides are pushing you to do it, to get something done in October. That's the other message that I get. October is also the month of appreciation. That's another message that I get. Somebody's going to appreciate a lot. You're going to get appreciated. Either you're going to appreciate somebody's efforts a lot, but there's a lot of appreciation involved in October. That's really nice. It's like almost the light shining on you, or you appreciating somebody's work or effort, or some kind of, great words will be told to you, or you will be telling those words to someone, or showing your gratitude. So those are all the messages that I get. Let's see what are the other messages. So when I look away, I am channeling messages, guys. Work through your fears. Of course, I told you have to work through your fears in October, Scorpio month. You could be a Scorpio. That's what I feel. You could be a Scorpio. Okay, and you were afraid of the sting, some kind of a sting. It could be something like a risky business, or somebody you really liked and you didn't know how the person is going to respond to you if you really said something to the person. But I think nothing is going to stop you now in October. Guys, few days are left in October. I think half of October is gone. So now is the time to rise and shine and whatever you wanted to do, because the divine power is with you. Okay, remember that. So don't be scared. Just say it, or just do it. I'm going to say just do it. Just go ahead. This is your time. Look at the bigger picture. November is going to be good. Whatever you will do in October will have an impact on November. November is a great time for you. It's lucky for you. So the luck will start in October and it's going to carry on the rest of the year. So do great things, okay, guys. Don't hold yourself back. Now it's the time to give in every situation. Now it's the time to give it your best performance. Give life your best performance. The best performance of life maybe, or show what you're made of, and be confident, and you will get whatever you want. So those were the messages that I had to give you, and thank you so much for listening to me, and hope some of the messages did resonate. Do write in the comment section what kind of reading do you want, and I'll do that kind of a reading. And do tell me it's a love, money, health, whatever, mixed reading, pick a pile, whatever you want, and I'll do that. So thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do leave a comment for me. Good night, guys. Bye.